How to get Discord Nitro. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can get Discord Nitro. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Discord. So let's head over to discord.com and make sure you're logged into your account. And after you're there, what you'll need to do is head over to the settings icon right beside your username. You'll find it at the left bottom. There you'll see user settings. Tap on that. After you do that, on the left hand side, scroll and you'll see the billing section. Right below that, you'll find the Nitro option as well. Tap on Nitro. After you tap on Nitro, you'll find this Nitro section where you'll see there are two different options for Nitro. So this is Nitro Basic, which is $2.99 per month, and this is Nitro that is $9.99 per month. So what you can see or what you can get from Nitro is available right here. You can go through it and what you'll have to do is tap on either one of those, whichever you want. If you want Nitro Basic, tap on Nitro Basic subscribe. Or if you want Nitro, you can tap on subscribe from here. So let's tap on subscribe on Nitro. And from here, you can see if you can choose one. You can either pay monthly or you can either pay yearly. And there you can see how much you can save as well. So if you choose monthly, you will have to pay $9.99. If you choose yearly, you'll have to pay $99.99. So select one. And then choose a payment type. So if you choose card, you can head over with the card details. If you want to pay with PayPal, you can choose that as well. I'll just select card. Now all you have to do is enter out your card details and then tap on next. With that, your dedicated amount will be simply deducted from your account and then you'll get Nitro. And that's how you do it, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.